Hello, I'm Parvati Shankar from SAP S4HANA Cloud Product Management Team. I'm back here with the highlights for manufacturing and supply chain in the latest release of SAP S4HANA Cloud. First and foremost, we have a very exciting news for you. In the last two releases, we brought out our demand-driven replenishment. We have now received the compliance certification from the Demand-Driven Institute. The Institute has certified that SAP S4HANA Cloud has enough capabilities to implement, sustain, and even improve a DDMRP implementation. Keeping in line with this theme, we bring out a few changes along our demand-driven capabilities. Demand-driven replenishment forms the basis for a reliable material flow by defining buffers at strategically important points and adjusting these buffers regularly. A well-balanced buffer level for relevant products ensures they are sufficiently stocked to prevent excessive storage costs or losses without running out of demand. We use buffer positioning to classify products based on the value of goods, usage, and variations in our demand, and our buffer sizing to classify products based on decoupled lead time. The main innovations here are the ability to have planned adjustment factors and time-dependent future buffer levels. We now have new end-to-end processes for demand-driven replenishment planning and execution. With our planning, you can now review the replenishment status of buffered components. Additionally, you can create demand or supply for the buffered component after change of planning status. With replenishment execution, you can review the replenishment execution status of buffered components after conversion into supply into production execution. Thus, you can reduce on-hand stock to stimulate replenishment need or expedite the supply and run production execution. Secondly, we have introduced the ability for production operators to confirm operations intuitively. With this, we empower the production operator to record yield and scrap, component consumption, and allow for partial confirmations. Finally, in quality management, we introduced the ability to record results during production on a regular basis. Our quality technicians can now use the statistical process control and quality control chart to monitor and control production processes. Additionally, in complaint management, users can now start the problem-solving process by assigning attachments to defects. You can find all this information and more on sap.com/S4-Cloud release. For more information, also stay tuned and check out the S4HANA community. Thanks for tuning in and hope to see you next time.